Experiments are an example of an individual teaching technique. The experiments can be done individually or as a group. Interest is created because students have real involvement with the experiment. Students set up the experiment, make observations, collect data, and draw conclusions. This is student-centered learning. Students graphically illustrate what they have learned through posters or charts. Students also learn the importance of being clear and explaining what they intend to do. They learn to keep accurate records and become able to develop a step-by-step plan of instruction in order to carry out their experiments. After the experiment is completed, students have to study the information that they found in order to make a conclusion. Teachers also play a role in experiments. They have to create interest so that the students want to solve the problem. They need to determine if it will be a group or individual project, identify the experiment and materials needed, outline the procedures, and explain how they want the students to gather data, whether it be during class or outside of class. Then, students report their findings to the class. They do this in order to 1. Share knowledge, 2. Identify key points, and 3. For public speaking experience. For example, in a horticulture class, a student may ask their teacher if the temperature affects the color of the flowers. Instead of answering the question, the teacher could have the student or the class complete an experiment to find out the answer. Or, the teacher may build this experiment into the course and have the students complete the experiment whether somebody asks a question about color and temperature or not. Experiments are very useful. Students can use them in a science fair, and FFA members can do an ag research project and then take it on to higher levels. Experiments are one great individual teaching technique that can be used by teachers.